today's video, we visit one of the oldest living letterpress museum in the world, located inside the famous Jonker Street. The Royal Press in Melaka, founded in 1938, making it 87 years old today. The business is owned by the Yi family, roots from Fujian province in China. The business survived during World War II, but original shophouse was destroyed. The shop is now moved to number 29 and 31 Jalan Hang Jibat inside Jonker Street. In 1960, the birth of offset printing technology was becoming popular, which resulted to a big loss of the business. Thanks to Yi Son-wee, the grandson of Lady Sui, interest on the family's long heritage made him inspired and determined to preserve the business. In 2013, the Royal Press became one of the oldest living polyglot museum in the world.
You are not to carry this machine just to type anything. Imagine those days. No technology, no cell phone. School time. I don't know if this is for space or info. You have here the alphabets with the numbers. These are, I'm not sure if, yeah, it seems like alphabets and part of machines. This is the history and phases. Before, there's no passports, visas, etc., etc. Usually they only need tickets, which is very expensive also. Imagine, it's 2.40 cents, 30 cents. This is the old version of how you purchase ticket also here on top. Rolling on papers and writers, copy books and small photo paper where you can print photos. Those days, you have to print this whole before you cut it with the help of the paper cutters. With a hanger, plastic hanger. Oh, shredder. Before.
You can also learn how to do letterpress stamping. They do have a workshop for 10 ringgit. Choose a card, make a payment, enjoy your artwork. Translate the stamp.
When Puma did not survive the copying machine, they converted to shoes. Puma. Just kidding. This is your paper. Okay. Once you put the paper here, you have to press it here.
If you are interested about the history of printing press, you should go here and you'll see a lot of machines that are being used manually and you'll learn a lot of history about it. So try to visit this printing press here in Jonker.